Okay. Hi everyone. Sorry, just had to wait for a few more people to come in. Oh my god, sorry yung volume. Wait lang. Before anything happens, I see my dad. My dad. Wow. Hi, Tito Gabs. Mr. Gabby Eigenman is in the house. Hi, Dad. Thanks for dropping by. Yeah, lang, share lang. So yan guys, I haven't been live for quite some time, but I just want to come on here and wala lang, siguro, ano ba yan? Sorry. And to just siguro promote our Regal Studios Presents, which is called Fishing for Love. Actually, malapit na yan, it's 4:15. And of course, this is directed by my actual dad. My actual dad, yes, Zorin Legaspi. Wow. And I will be with Michael Sager. Wow. Ooh. Wow, and joining us here in the comment section is my brother, Mavi. Sabi niya, spoiler, magiging isda si Cassie. Pangalan Nemo. Ha ha ha, very funny. Very, very funny. Oh, Tita Gabs, I miss you. Let's work again soon. Dami nating ganaps in life. We owe each other kwento. Wow. Ayun. So, basically, siguro I just wanna give a brief background na lang kung paano nangyari to. So, I got an inquiry from Regal Studios na ako lang. So, syempre, nag-yes ako when I saw the synopsis of the story. Nag-game na ako. And usually, ganun naman ako kapag pinipresent ng iba ng roles or stories. If I like it, I always accept it. I don't really mind who I end up working with and all. Kasi nga, basta ako, depende sa role ko, depende sa story. So, ayun. And then, surprisingly, nalaman ko, yung director ay ang tatay ko. So, what are the odds, diba? So, don't worry, we took this very much professionally. Pagdating sa set, syempre, hindi siya yung tatay ko, siya ang director ko, malamang. But it was a bit weird, especially kapag may mga kilig-kilig scenes with Michael. Kasi syempre, tatay ko rin siya, so kahit sino yung kapartner ko, it's just weird na, kailangan, mas ganito, mas kilig, mas, parang na-weirdan ako, parang di ko kaya, pero, you know, we gotta be professional. So, yan ang ginawa ko. And working naman with Michael. Actually, we worked naman together before sa Tahanang Pinakamasaya. So, I guess everything flowed naturally naman. So, it wasn't as awkward. I guess on my end, it wasn't as awkward. A bit lang siguro kasi syempre ibang project na to. Iba yung hosting and syempre of course iba rin yung acting. So in terms of acting syempre kilig-kilig, and personally mas nahihirapan ako sa kilig-kilig acting kesa sa drama, like heavy drama stuff. Yeah. So ang galing talaga ng story, ng script. Because it's, I guess you could say it's a simple story, pero galing talaga ni Direk Z. The way he changed certain scenes. Parang siguro mas dumagdag ng flavor and may pagka K-drama approach siya. So I'm very excited for that. I haven't seen the full show. Full show ba? Ano ba yung sinasabi ko? Hindi, basta I haven't seen the full... Yeah, the full show. I haven't seen the full episodes, or I haven't seen the full episode, but I saw a couple of scenes lang. in fairness naman, na-excite naman ako and I hope you guys would appreciate din yung efforts namin, especially yung efforts ng dad ko, especially as a director, guys. Very underrated. Hindi ako biased. Very underrated. Si Papa Z talaga. Direct Z. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, my bestie. My bestie is here. Hi, Kate. Ayan, yung best friend ko sa Fishing for Love is here, si Kate Yalong. Ayan, oh my gosh, I also wanna make kwento about, I also wanna talk about that. It was my first time meeting Kate on set. Pero parang bigla may chemistry agad as best friends. And even on screen, when I would check yung playback, ang galing kasi parang best friends kami for how many years. And I hope that it shows rin sa mga viewers on screen. Pero, well, for me, nakikita ko talaga yung chemistry. So, ayan, bestie, congrats to us. I'm so proud of us. Pati yung mga nuances namin, yung mga mannerisms, and yung sabay tingin. Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng timing ng lahat without even talking. We don't plan it. We don't plan anything. Kunwari, ito yung line ko, itong ganito. Tapos, after line na to, hug kita dito. Mga ganon, very basic, but yung mannerisms, yung anything like that, we don't talk about it. Basta lang, nangyayari lang siya na, okay, basta we're best friends here. Basta may hugot kasi yung character ko, si Polly. May hugot siya. And of course, si Kate or si Tina, may malaking factor din as a best friend to help her out, to help her get out of that. Hala, na-spoil ko na ba? Sana hindi. Naku, malapit na mag 4:15, tas sinaspoil ko na lahat. Diyos ko, oh my God. Okay, basta yun na yun. All I can say is that, iba talaga kapag may best friend ka, or iba talaga kapag may special na tao na who is always there for you during hard times and during good times. Okay, I think I didn't spoil. Sana hindi. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, hi Mikey! Thank you, Mikey. Hello, hello. Sorry guys. Nagpo-protein shake ako. And actually, my entire family is home. So, andito lang kami ngayon sa living room. And we are just waiting for Regal Studios Presents. Malapit na po yan. So, right now, it's 3:50. And it is going to air 4:15. So, medyo kinakabahan ako. Si Mommy actually visited sa set namin. But, I think, nakita lang niya isang eksena lang. Isang eksena lang? Yeah, isang eksena lang. But that's it. And si Mavi naman, I don't think he saw anything yet. Para mas okay ngayon, para walang bias, walang ma-preempt. So, yeah. Ayun. I hope you guys enjoy Fishing for Love. And you guys can also stream if you guys can't watch on TV, you can also stream sa YouTube, of course, via GMA Network. I will post another Instagram story, tas lalagay ko ng link, and you can watch there because that's also where I'm watching. As in, kasi ano ba ngayon? Oh, it's Miss Manila right now. So yun. I'm just watching while waiting. Yeah. Oh. Nandito na yung yellow hearts ko. Hello. Thank you guys for dropping by. Thank you sa post nyo. Thank you for the support. Ang kulit ni Mavi. Mahiwaga salamin. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Hi, Beanie. Oh my goodness. Nag-comment si Cassie Loves. Ikaw siguro yung isda sa shop ni Polly, no? Tinag niya si Mavi. OMG. Mavi, kaya pa ba? Oh my gosh. Ayun. Guys, I'm really excited for this kasi siguro parang balik acting na ako. After some time of resting and getting my health in check. So yun. I'm excited to be back. Feels like home. Wow, feels like home. Oh, may nag-comment. Miss the dears. Actually, ako rin. And sorry, super sideline. May narinig lang ako na may book 3. I don't know if that's legit. Di ako sure kung legit yun. Pero apparently may book 3. Ang pinag-usapan lang, it's not final. I don't know. Ooh. More acting projects tapos action. Actually, yan talagang target ko, siguro. I really entered showbiz wanting to do action. So maybe soon, malay mo. I hope so. I hope I get to do action. So, syempre, tatay ko, action star. So, ayan na. Nag-hit na ako ng drama, rom-com. So, you know, I'm open to doing action as well. Tsaka siguro movies na rin. I think I found my new joy in filming movies. Ganun. Guys, wait lang. Hindi ako sure sa book 3. Wait lang. Hindi ako sure sa book 3. Narinig ko lang yun. Parang they want to time it sa next elections if I'm not mistaken. Or bago mag next elections if I'm not mistaken. Di ako sure. Wait lang ha. Di ako sure. Don't quote me on that. Pero yeah, sana. Wait lang. Nag-live na din si Michael. Excuse me. Whatever guys, nauna ako. Dito lang kayo. Dito lang kayo sa live ko. Dito lang kayo sa live ko. Huwag kayong sa live niyo. Wow. Parang naging Q&A. Yeah, let's just stay here for a bit. Alis ako mga 4:10. Kasi I need to get my family together. Mag-bonding muna tayo dito. So if you have any questions or whatever, mag-chikaan tayo because low-key, I actually miss talking to you guys. Because I haven't been live again in so long. But yeah, guys, this is the start. This is the new beginning. Wow, new beginning. Yeah, I miss acting. So, ano yan? Balik sa acting. Let's go. Yes. Wow, acting serye. Please do it with Tatay Z. Gusto ko nga action. Action with my dad. Then with my mom, gusto ko heavy drama. For a change. May naisip nga akong adaptation for me and my dad. If you guys know Dynasty, ever since kasi na-release yung Dynasty, a lot of people have been saying na may similar features si Papa Z at si Blake Carrington. Tapos ako naman, well, I don't think similar features, but siguro kasi siya yung anak. So, me and Fallon Carrington. But, I don't know, I'd love to try that. And siguro action na rin. Add natin ng action. Pilitin natin. Yeah, yes. Fallon Carrington. Yeah. I don't know. I'm super open right now for any projects. I don't mind. I don't mind being paired with anyone. Hindi naman ako nakalock sa love team. And I don't have any plans of being locked in a love team. Siguro rin I also want to explore yung like, ano ba? Explore myself din as an actress kung paano ako mag-work with others, with other actors and actresses. Malay mo. Yeah. Kasi malay mo, like, may chemistry din ako sa iba, or whatever. Or pwede nga solo, di ko kailangan ng love team or partner. Anything goes. Again, as long as the role in the story is good. I'm good. All good in the hood. Ang kulit talaga ng kapatid ko, comment siya ng comment. Mav, where are you? Parang naka-video call, Mav, where are you? You can come here if you want. Nasa living room lang ako. Video call. Oh, may nagtanong, who is your peg? Oh, female action star. The thing for me kasi siguro wala akong peg siguro, but I want to be my own version na female na action star. I wanna add my own twist, my own flavor. Oh, my own flavor. So, siguro depende na yun once I get into an acting project. So, we'll see from there. Yeah. Ang kulit ni Ma'am. Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my goodness. About singing. Siguro naman nakita nyo yung pinost kong snippet. Shy girl yarn. So, I actually had that song in the vault for... Gano'ng katagal na yun? I think it's 2021, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Because I just wanted to produce a song. Trip ko lang. Tapos, mahilig naman talaga ako magsulat. So, ngayon I wrote that song, which was altered and medyo inayos ng kaibigan ko who also produced the song. I'm not sure if he's comfortable na I mention who, pero yeah, he used to be a good friend of mine. Basta yun. But we worked on that song overnight lang. Grabe, overnight lang. So I wrote the song first, and then I asked my friend to help me out. Sabi niya, okay, ako bahala sa'yo. And then, syempre, I'm not used to writing songs, so iba pala yung parang flow or something. So, inayos niya ng slide. Yung ano lang, what do you call that? Ano tawag doon? The format, sorry. Loading ako, guys. Super lutang. Guys, if I keep looking there, tumitingin lang ako sa TV kasi 4 o'clock na, malapit na mag 4:15. So, medyo kinakabahan ako kasi baka mamaya fishing for love na. So, nakatingin na ako. Just making sure. Anyways, back to the song. Ayun. Yeah, so, we finished the song, everything. Tapos sabi niya sa akin na it's up to you if you wanna release it or not. So, but you don't have to. I said okay. Pero actually guys, sorry, fun fact. Whoa, that wasn't the first song that I produced. Or, hindi yan yung first song na ginawa ko. I made a song nung pandemic pa. And my producer was all the way from Australia. So the thing is, ang title ng first song ko was called Cabin Fever. And I was debating whether I should release it or not since anyways, pandemic. So, hindi naman pwede mag-acting, hindi naman pwede mag-perform sa stage kasi nga pandemic, peak of pandemic. So, sige, if I just release the song, baka, I could perform online, mga ganun. So, ayun, yung first song ko talaga, yung title was Cabin Fever. Kasi yan yung na-feel ko nung pandemic. So, yeah, because the meaning of cabin fever na parang stuck ka lang sa bahay, tapos minsan parang na-develop yung mga ibang emotions like anxiety and stuff like that. So, ayun. I also wrote that song na ako din nag-ayos ng lahat, ako din nag-arrange. It's just produced by my producer in Australia. Pero, hindi ko na-release for some reason. Kasi nga, siguro wala rin akong what's that? Like, maybe mahihain ako. I don't know. And then, saktong-sakto na I was like, when I was thinking na, sige nga, release ko nga to. Like, bahala na. Nag-release si Jaden Smith ng song na Cabin Fever. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, I obviously can't compete with Jaden Smith, which, ang ganda ng song ni Jaden Smith na Cabin Fever. Kaya sabi ko, ayan ko na siya, bahala na siya sa buhay niya. Go Jaden Smith. Let's go boy. Like, ikaw na yan. So after noon, fast forward, made a new song. And then, ayun na yung the one I shared the snippet. Yeah. Yun yung snippet. Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Malay mo, I'll release it. Pero, parang gusto ko mag-re-record. I wanna record it again. Malay mo. Oh my gosh, 4:06. Malapit na mag-4:15. Sorry guys if I look like this. Bagong ligo lang ako. Syempre, nasa bahay lang ako. Please don't judge me. Thanks. At sana naka-standby din kayo. Guys, it's very exciting Like, ang cute ng mga what do you call that? Mga ganaps. Mga eksena sa Fishing for Love. Pati ako, in fairness, kinikilig din ako sa scene mismo. Parang ini-imagine ko. Imagine kung yan yung crush mo. Parang, At saka, siguro yung character rin ni Polly is very, like, independent. Independent girl siya na hindi ko kailangan ng lalaki. Hindi ko kailangan ng love life. Kaya ko magsarili, blah, blah, blah. Basta you guys will understand kung ba't ganun si Polly. And basta may hugot siya. So, makikita mo kung paano maging siguro mas light si Polly. Basta guys, ang cute ng I'm excited for this project. I'm super excited. Pati yung shots, very cinematic. It's very cinematic for TV. So, I'm excited. So excited. I'm excited. 4:07. Ano kinakabahan? Asa ba yung pamilya ko? Dapat andito na sila. Hello, family. Nasa baba kasi sila. May isang TV din sa baba. So, yeah. I think nahiya din sila kasi nagla-live ako dito. It's okay. I will just call them later to join. So, ayun. So, for now, guys, I'm working on a lot of things. So, paano ba? Inaayos ko lang mga basta, just let my actions speak for itself. Basta yun na yun, guys. Don't worry. And hang on, guys. Hang on. Like, I got you. Ako bahala sa'yo. Oh. Oh my gosh. Read ko lang mga questions. Oops. Oh my gosh, I nearly dropped my phone. Ay, nakikita ko si Kuya Beto. Hi, Kuya Bets. Oh my gosh. How about a project with your mom or your brother? Actually, guys, I already, so I worked with my mom and my brother na sa Abot Kamay. So, yun. I worked na with them. Tapos, dito nga sa Regal Studios Presents, Fishing for Love, I worked with my dad, pero as a director, hindi as an actor. So, ayun. Why not? I'd love to work with my family again. Para maiba naman. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. Anyways guys, ito na, I'm gonna wrap it up. But I really hope that you can spread the word. Please share my post. Just spread the word for everyone to please watch Regal Studios Presents Fishing for Love. Because it's a cute and a light story. I don't want to say love story, although it comes off as love story and whatever. Pero, basta. I don't know how to say it without spoiling. Kasi, you guys know me. Spoiler queen, I always spoil. Ayoko sabihin ng mga scenes. Basta if you're a person filled with bitterness and sadness and you feel like walang light sa buhay mo or nahihirapan ka mag-let go sa past, this is the episode for you. Ito ang episode kung paano ka mag-move on. Paano ka mag-move on from the past. And to move on to better, lighter things. Diba they say, how can you let new things enter your life if you're still holding on to the old stuff? O, diba? So, ayan na guys, last 4 minutes. So, ayan. Please stream. And don't forget to tag me sa mga posts. Don't worry, I will repost. And thank you in advance. And thank you rin sa mga nag-post. Yeah. So, ayan guys. I'm gonna watch na. So, yes. Bye, guys. Fishing for Love, 4:15 ito na. GMA. You can stream also on YouTube. GMA Network. I'll post the story. So guys, it's a really good story. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, thank you guys.